Hello, welcome to West Coast Digital, and today I'm going to be discussing 5 things you didn't know you could do in Squarespace. Let's jump right in. Now, traditionally, Squarespace allows you to enter 2 different font types to your website for your header and your paragraph. But there is another way we can add a third font to our website. I'm going to show you how I do it here. I'm going to go to the paint icon or site styles to click on it. I'm going to head to font heading, and then I want to navigate down to miscellaneous. In this case, I have changed it from PT Serif font to another one called Sale. That is in the Squarespace font inventory. And once I've done that, I'm going to click out, come back here. And for this sake, I've created 2 text blocks. In this particular block for here, I'm going to change it from heading 1 to monospace. And here you'll see it has changed it to the Sale font. So that's how you can add a third font to your site and use it as you wish. If I want to make it bigger, because right now it's quite small, I can either scale it by clicking on this icon here, and it allows me to size it appropriately, or I can adjust sizing back in site styles. Another useful feature Squarespace offers is you can actually password protect specific pages on your website. This is very useful for client portfolio content or members only content that you want to provide exclusively to followers. And how you do that is you hover over your page, click on the gear icon, head to General, and at the bottom you'll see Password. And we can put our password, and we can click the eye icon to view it before we go back and save. That then shows us a padlock, which indicates that the page is now password protected to the general public. Squarespace enables us to embed any third-party widgets or items by using the code block when we're in edit mode. You can scroll down here and you can see I have embedded an item. I'm now going to show you how I did that. I'm going to create some space for the embed block. I'm going to click Add Block Code, not embed, code. Stretch out the block. I'm going to go and grab my Calendly widget. I'm going to copy the embed code. I'm going to double click back into the code block here and paste my embed code. And if I want to, I can make any adjustments to style here. You will not see when you're in edit mode what your embedded product looks like. However, once you click save and exit, you can go into preview mode and you'll see the embedded item is now there. And this can go for MailChimp, Instagram feeds, anything that has an embed code with it. A Squarespace online store has incredibly advanced features that are fantastic for any e-commerce store. For example, you can use product variants such as size, color of the product. You can add related products and their variants to your cart. And you can also include tax calculations, inventory, shipment fulfillment, and additional information as well. The fifth and final thing you didn't know Squarespace could do is you can add multiple content blocks. And not only multiple content blocks, but you can actually layer them over other content blocks using Fluid Engine. And this helps to break up the traditional preconceived notion of Squarespace and how block-like its structure is, meaning we can add a bit more dynamism to our website offerings. So here I have a gallery, and I've selected it to be a slideshow that's showing only one slide, no thumbnails, but it's automatically transitioning with a standard image over it that I've applied a circle shape to and an image effect to make it move. As you know, we've added the third custom font using monospace and miscellaneous text. And here is a text block that goes here, a button that I can adjust anywhere. I can even have it over the image as an example. And then we have our scrolling text as well and our embedded. But there are so many more blocks you can add to Squarespace and layer appropriately and as you see fit. Giving you more and more options, and really the sky being the limit when it comes to designing and creating your own Squarespace website. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Or if you'd like to discuss a web design or digital marketing project, my details are in the description below.